looking at digraphs, which are two letter sounds put together to make one sound. There's quite a lot of digraphs and trigraphs, which are three sounds, so I'm just going to split them up into two videos to make it a little bit easier for you to learn all the different actions. Okay, so again, these are not the order that they are taught in at school. I am just enabling you to help your children with their reading and writing. Okay. So what I mean by a digraph is something like two letters put together, s and h, which make sh. You can then make more complex words like shut by doing this. We're using the sound buttons again, but this is for the digraph. So you've got sh, oh, t, shut, shut, shut. Okay? I am going to go through each of the digraphs now, the sounds and their actions. There's some really good actions again, you're going to love this. So first of all, we have got sh, s and a h make sh, 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 as in shut and share. Okay? The kids love this one. K and h, which makes ch, okay? And that's ch, 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 like that. So as in church and chin. This one is a little bit of a different digraph because it's got two different sounds, but it's the same two letters. So we have got th and th. So it's this cheeky clown. Th for things like things and thin. For this and that. Okay, so they like doing that with the cheeky clown. And then we've got this one. This is the last one, which is two consonants together. So we've got n and g, which is ng. Okay, so you've got to pretend like you have got a big weight above your head and you're going ng, ng. And it's for words like ring and sing. We've now got the digraphs with two vowels in them. So we've got E. Now I'm going to show you another one at the same time because these make up one action. This is E, O, feet, sheet, corn, for. Okay, so you can go E if you're doing things like feet and sheet, or you could go O, for. Okay, so they kind of go together, but you can do them separately. This one is another one like th. It's got two sounds, but it is just one digraph. So with this, an o and an o, it's o, oo, like cuckoo. O, oo, like book and look. And then you've got the oo, like soon and moon. This is another double vowel one. And this is o and an I, which makes oi. 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 So pretend like, you can tell your child, pretend like you're really mad at mummy or daddy. Oi. Oi. And it's for words like soil and toil. Okay? This is another double vowel one. And this is a. And it makes a, as in rain and pain. So they can pretend that grandma or granddad can't hear very well and they're going, A. And the last one that I'm going to teach you in this lesson is o and a, which is O. So it's goat and coat, and this is O. You've done something wrong. O. So it's like, oh no. O. That one there. And this will enable you to, like I say, teach your children sort of more complex words than in just phase 2. This is phase 3 now, and you'll be able to do sh, t, and many more words. So join me in the next lesson where I will be teaching you more digraphs and trigraphs.